Experiencing audio issues with your Viofo dashcam? You're not alone. As of April 2026, it's a common problem, especially in models like the A139 and A229. The good news is it's often fixable. This video will guide you through the troubleshooting steps. Most no audio issues stem from software glitches or settings, with hardware failures being less frequent, 15 to 20% of cases. Let's dive into the fixes. Many dashcam audio issues can be resolved with a simple settings check. First, ensure the microphone is enabled in your dashcam settings. Access the menu through the device or Viofo's smartphone app. Navigate to Record Settings and confirm that audio recording is switched on. Confirm that audio recording is switched on. Also, verify that the volume slider is at a reasonable level, ideally above 50%. A simple settings adjustment resolves many no audio problems. Outdated firmware can cause audio codec corruption, leading to recording failures. This happens when the software that handles audio processing becomes outdated and can't properly encode or decode the sound data. To fix this, check Viofo's website for the latest firmware versions specific to your dashcam model. The website provides downloads and instructions tailored to different camera models. As of December 2025, firmware version 5.2.1 addressed audio bugs in several models, improving codec stability and reducing recording failures. Download and install the update using either the Viofo mobile app or by transferring the file to an SD card. Both methods ensure the firmware gets installed correctly onto your device. After updating, format the SD card to ensure a clean installation and proper function. This removes any residual data that might interfere with the new firmware settings. When settings and firmware updates don't resolve the microphone recording issue, the problem may be hardware-related. Common hardware causes include wiring problems or dust accumulation that can mute the microphone. Two main hardware issues can prevent audio recording: faulty wiring connections or dust buildup on the microphone module itself. Wiring problems often occur at the circuit board level, where connections to the microphone can become loose or damaged. If you have experience with electronics, you can carefully disassemble the dashcam to inspect and clean the microphone module. Refer to circuit diagrams like this to understand the microphone connections before attempting disassembly. If you're not comfortable working with electronics, it's best to consult a professional technician. Hardware repairs for dashcams usually range from $20 to $50. The microphone module, like this electronic component, may need cleaning or replacement by a professional. Power and environmental factors play a crucial role in dashcam audio recording. Low voltage or extreme temperatures can disable the microphone circuit. Let's examine how to ensure stable operation. The dashcam requires a stable 12-volt power supply from the car's electrical system. Voltage fluctuations below this threshold can interrupt the microphone's power, preventing audio capture. Extreme temperatures also affect audio recording. Very hot or cold conditions can damage the microphone sensor or cause electronic components to malfunction. Proper mounting is essential to minimize vibrations, which can interfere with audio quality. A windshield mount provides stability and reduces motion-induced noise in recordings. To illustrate proper wiring, here's a diagram showing the car's electrical connections that power the dashcam. This shows the overall car electrical system, highlighting how the battery and regulator provide stable power to accessories like your dashcam. By ensuring stable voltage, moderate temperatures, and proper mounting, you stabilize the dashcam system and rule out external factors that could affect audio capture. Real-world examples show how users have tackled dashcam microphone problems. Let's look at two specific cases. First, a Reddit user with a Viofo A139 encountered audio loss after a problematic firmware update. They resolved it by carefully downgrading to an earlier firmware version, restoring full functionality without data loss. In another case, Car and Driver magazine identified a faulty ribbon cable, causing the rear microphone to fail in the A229 Duo model. Viofo honored the warranty with a free replacement, highlighting the importance of hardware inspection. These real-world examples illustrate the broad range of potential microphone issues, from software updates and settings to physical hardware components. Understanding these cases can help prevent similar problems in your own dashcam setup. Dashcam technology is evolving rapidly with advanced AI features transforming audio recording capabilities. AI-driven noise reduction is becoming more common in modern dashcams. Using machine learning, these systems can filter out road noise while preserving important audio, improving clarity by up to 60%. By 2028, X predict 80% of dashcams will feature dual microphones for stereo recording and real-time transcription via cloud AI, virtually eliminating audio recording issues. However, privacy concerns around constant audio recording are growing. This may lead to regulatory changes requiring mandatory opt-in settings for audio capture to protect user privacy. Stay informed as technology advances and regulations evolve to balance innovation with privacy protection.